let's take an in-depth look at this near showroom perfect example of the 1991 Buick Park Avenue. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Park Avenue. We'll start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, as we'll show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. The exterior color is known as Arctic White, with a blue cloth interior. Leather interior was available for the Park Avenue, and top-of-the-line premium leather interior available as part of the Ultra package. This vehicle only has 29,000 original miles. You also have many of your warning indicators. They show up around the panel around the Buick emblem up top. Very smooth power-assisted steering, practically effortless, with an absolutely beautiful prominent horn. Also new for 91 was GM's turbo hydromatic 4-speed automatic transmission, also with low gear selection. It's electrically assisted, also known as the 4T60 automatic. And let's go ahead and cut on the headlamps, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And let's go and check out the exterior, shall we? The new Park Avenue in 91 took the place of the outgoing Buick Electra. It wore a new body on the same wheelbase and a new front drive chassis with improved power from its 3800 V6. The overall length of the vehicle was around 8 inches longer and shares similar underpinnings to the Oldsmobile 98. Improvements for 91 include a standard driver's side airbag, height-adjustable seatbelts, pass-key anti-theft system, as well as anti-lock braking. The chrome trim is absolutely phenomenal on this vehicle. Practically zero pitting, with little bumper guards up front, wide hood with modest grille extensions, tapering up into the cowl. Looking at the Park Avenue from this angle too, you can also tell a lot of heavily design influences in relation to the Buick Roadmaster. The Park Avenue is definitely one of the more plush luxury American vehicles back in the day. Featured gorgeous traditional styling with plenty of chrome trim. It included these large 15-inch full chrome wheel covers on steel wheels. This particular one has Kumho tires measuring 205/75. Glass halogen headlamps, as well as cornering lamps when activating the turn signals for lighting the corners as you turn into them. The paint finish is absolutely stunning, and dare say I'd probably go as far as saying that this is probably the cleanest Park Avenue I've ever seen and probably will ever see. You can just see how straight the side panels are, retaining the factory door edge guards. Total curb weight is around 3,536 pounds, with an overall length of around 205.9 inches. Characteristic wraparound in glass, seamlessly blending into 8 pillars, and your hideaway wiper arms. You also have your power exterior mirrors. Large, easy-to-see tail lamps with modest chrome accenting, wraparound chrome bumpers, and a very stately look. The third brake light right below the rear window. And we're going to pop the hood. The Park Avenue is powered by GM's legendary 3800 or 3.8-liter V6. power was also improved from the previous generation thanks to a new tuned port injection system. It produced about 170 horsepower at 4,800 RPM and 220 foot-pounds of torque at 3,200 RPM. It also featured an 18-gallon fuel tank running on regular and lead gas and achieved an EPA estimated miles per gallon rating of 18 city, 27 highway. The vehicle is also front-wheel drive with a 0 to 60 time of around 10.1 seconds and a quarter-mile time of an estimated 17.3 seconds and an estimated top speed of 134 miles an hour. The front and rear stabilizer bars help improving vehicle control and function. Fantastic engines. Like I said, the interior of the Park Avenue can be had in several different ways depending on your customization and taste and luxury. This particular one has one of the standard interiors, but still has all of the same padded trim, chrome accenting, as well as a plentiful amount of factory-equipped options. Your faux wood grain panels blending across the doors and the dash, all of your power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and your exterior lighting control. The seats are extremely plush. They're power sliding, tilting with manual recline, very soft velour material, with the Park Avenue logo embedded on the back of the seats. All of your power seat controls are located on the door here, as well as memory settings. You do have aluminum accented pedals, as well as a Buick's traditional styling cue of the flat, curving, forward-facing dash. Very easy to read and straightforward. You also have your fuel cap release, as well as trunk release, your automatic lighting control, as well as interior panel lights. Place to put your cap. You also have a manually tilting steering wheel. And let's go ahead and see if she sounds. And I'm going to shut her up. You can also see here how the flat dash actually blends in and curves into the door in the flowing angular pattern coming down. It's got the premium concert tune sound system with tape deck and graphic equalizer. Your clock set, like I said, your audio adjustment. Tune, fade, balance, as well as all of your preset settings, tape controls, as well as seek. Dimming, as well as an auxiliary sunshade, so you can bring this over here and still have protection up front. Also has an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and your overhead lighting controls. There's also a little indicator monitor up here. In case you ever have any bulbs blown out, it'll tell you actually which ones have malfunctioned. Also in 91, the Park Avenues, you can get an optional dual-zone climate control system. The main controls are located up here, activating the dual zone, with the controls located on the door. As you can see, changing the temperature. The heater defrost, front defrost, rear defrost, temperature adjustment, fan speed, automatic, as well as the exterior temperature. Pretty simplistic controls. Lighter and ashtray. Same velour material covering the armrest. It's It's also a 6-passenger vehicle. You can fit a smaller individual up here. When you open it up, the cup holder automatically folds out, where you can flip it over and close it up. Chain storage, cassette storage, as well as modest extra storage over here for other items. Then you can just close it, automatically folds it back in. Very nice. So let's go ahead and shut her down. And let's check out the back seat. The back seat is also extremely roomy in the Park Avenue, with very plush seats, the same carpeted pattern going across the doors, your power windows, rear lighters, ashtrays. As you can see, just based on the design, you can see how you can easily sink into them. You also have the faux wood accented handles on the back of the seats themselves, and in the Ultra package you can also get available vanity mirrors that are installed up in the headliner. Just another taller look at the seats. Solid doors. Rear illumination, coat hooks. Fantastic rear seating. Comfortable and plush, and perfect for long journeys. Just in a traditional luxury fashion of the American automobile, you definitely expect to see a larger trunk, and the Park Avenue definitely delivers. This particular one actually has an optional all-weather floor mat, cargo net, the original dealer brochure, quite neat to have as a historical value to the vehicle. Plenty of cargo space for just about any activity you want to bring with it. It's also power actuated to bring the trunk down and lock it. You also have similar power adjustments on the passenger seat as the driver's, except the passenger seat actually has a power recline function located down below. Good sized glove box. It's also illuminated. A beautiful, fantastic example of a near showroom fresh Park Avenue. With plenty of innovations and refinement found in the 1991 model, it set the stage for many luxury automakers to follow in the later years. Beautiful automobiles. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the 1991 Buick Park Avenue. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take it easy, everybody.